Hello everyone, I am Ihua. When many people make chili oil, they directly pour hot oil over the chili, which is actually incorrect. Doing it that way, the chili oil will only have spiciness, without any fragrance. Today I will share with you the correct way to make chili oil. It is very simple and delicious. Not only is it great with hot pot, but also very tasty with noodles and cold dishes. Today, I spent 15 yuan to buy 500 grams of chili. There are 3 types of chili: moderately spicy, mildly spicy, and very spicy. Today I am using the moderately spicy one. You can choose according to your taste, the chili you prefer. Now let's adjust the ratio based on the chili. First, add 2 large spoons of salt to the chili. With a bit more salt, the chili can be preserved for a longer time. Then add 1 large spoon of sugar. The sugar is mainly to enhance the flavor. Next, add a small amount of pepper powder. Pepper powder enhances the aroma. Then stir it evenly with chopsticks. Mix the salt thoroughly with the chili powder. Stir for a while longer, so that all the seasonings can be evenly combined with the chili powder. Blended together. If you are making chili oil to eat immediately, you can also add a little less. Then gradually add a small amount of water bit by bit. Do not add too much water. Add water while stirring evenly with chopsticks. Adding water helps slightly moisten the chili powder, so when hot oil is poured over the chili powder, it won't get burnt or scorched. Next, for the second time, add a little water to the bowl. Then continue stirring evenly with chopsticks. Don't be lazy with this step. When it reaches this level of moistness, it's good to go. Then set it aside for now. Next, prepare a bowl of peanuts and pour them into the pan. Turn to medium-low heat and stir-fry the peanuts. No need to add oil to the pan. Just dry-fry them over low heat. When you hear crackling sounds from the pan, and the peanut shells begin to crack slightly, and little black spots start to appear, this is the right time. Then scoop them out and let them cool in a bowl. Next, prepare a piece of peeled ginger and cut it into thin slices. Then further cut it into thin strips. Once cut, set them aside in a bowl. Then prepare 5 cloves of garlic. Slice the garlic into thin slices. After cutting, place them together with the ginger. Prepare 1 green onion. Cut it into small sections diagonally. After cutting, put them in a bowl for later use. Prepare 1 onion. First, cut it in half. Then cut it into thin strips. After cutting, lightly separate the onion slices. Then place them in a bowl for later use. Next, place a few bay leaves on a plate. 5-star anise. A small handful of Sichuan peppercorns. 2 pieces of cinnamon. The ingredients we need are cinnamon, bay leaves, star anise, and Sichuan peppercorns. Of course, ginger and garlic as well. Also green onion and onion. Finally, prepare a small bunch of cilantro. At this point, the peanuts have cooled down. Pour them into a plastic storage bag. First, use a rolling pin to crush them. Then roll the rolling pin over them to press them. Crush the peanuts into smaller pieces. You don't need to turn the peanuts into powder. Just make them slightly granular like this. Then pick them up and pour them into a larger plate. Blow away the peanut skins on top. After finishing, set them aside for later use. Next, add more canola oil to the pot. If you don't have canola oil, you can use other types of cooking oil instead. But be sure not to use lard, because lard solidifies. Then turn the heat to high to heat the oil. Put in a chopstick. If it bubbles slightly, it's ready. Then add the ginger and garlic. Also add the green onion. Add the onion and cilantro as well. Keep frying them slowly over medium-low heat. Use a spoon to stir them continuously. First, completely dry out the moisture in the ingredients. When frying ingredients, it's best to use canola oil, because canola oil has a higher smoke point, making it more suitable for frying. Other oils might produce carcinogens when exposed to high temperatures. And using canola oil will also make the chili oil more fragrant. When the moisture in the ingredients is half dried, add the large spices to fry. Then keep stirring with a spoon. Wow, it already smells amazing now. Even the silverware looks especially appetizing. Continue frying slowly over medium-low heat. Fry until all the spices turn golden brown. Let all the aromas be released. Great. Next, prepare a strainer. Scoop out all the spices. The scooped out spices are not edible. At this point, the oil already contains the flavor of all the spices. At this point, we pour the crushed peanuts into the chili. Then add 30 grams of white sesame seeds. Then use chopsticks to stir them evenly. Dear friends, the video has reached this point. If you think my video is helpful to you, please extend your lucky hands and give me a thumbs up. Every comment and share of yours is my motivation to move forward, and also my greatest support. After mixing evenly, pour the hot oil in. Wow, it smells amazing. A burst of fragrance hits your face. Pour the hot oil several times. After pouring once, stir it evenly with chopsticks. Then pour more hot oil. This repeated pouring of oil is the only way to fully fry the chili. After pouring the oil, the moisture on the surface of the chili will instantly evaporate. Can you see the steam? So you don't have to worry about the moisture in the chili. And you don't have to worry about the chili oil going bad. After stirring the chili flakes evenly like this, pour the remaining hot oil in. Now the whole room is filled with the fragrant and spicy smell. Smelling this in winter really increases your appetite. After mixing again, add a small amount of 13 spices. And finally add a little bit of white liquor. Adding white liquor can extend the preservation time of the chili, and it will taste even better. Finally, thoroughly stir the chili. Then let the chili sit for a while. The oil will rise to the top. If you like spicy food, you can scoop a spoonful and mix it directly with your dish. We can make a larger batch at once. In winter, store it at room temperature. It will last for 2 months without a problem. This chili oil tastes better and is more fragrant than just pouring hot oil directly. You can use it as a hot pot base. For dipping sauce, noodles, or cold dishes, it's all delicious. If you like it, save it and give it a try. If you like my video, remember to like and follow. Comment and share it too. See you in the next video.